Data breaches have become a really huge problem in 2019. The larger corporations, several come to mind that just from the size of the data breach, Marriott and Capital One Bank, but this is a problem that affects employers irrespective of size. If you deal with sensitive data and you transmit that data anywhere, in particular, you've got the potential for a problem. Where I'm seeing this come up for employers and where I'm offering a lot of advice is that there are a lot of situations where the risk of a data breach is not really apparent from the size of the contract. Sometimes you can have small dollar value vendor contracts that pack a huge amount of data breach risk in them. So just for the fact that your contract with an outside vendor is small, it can have a lot of hidden cybersecurity or data breach risk attached to it. So I am recommending for all my clients that you look at your insurance. And if you haven't, ask your broker, do I have cybersecurity coverage sufficient to cover my needs, given what we know now? And the other thing is, when you're thinking about vendor contracts, be sure that you are approaching the idea of cybersecurity insurance on the part of the vendors. Because there are a lot of times when, let's just say, for example, a vendor tells you, I don't have cybersecurity coverage or I don't have sufficient cybersecurity coverage, you may still decide to go forward with the contract, but you know something about the vendor that you didn't know before, that you're going to be exposed to a little more risk potentially than you might otherwise. So take a close look at those. They present a fair amount of risk to employers these days.